add 5 ingredients in your tea and coffee. Today, let's embark on a journey guided by the timeless wisdom of Buddha and Zen philosophy. We'll explore the profound benefits of tea and coffee when brewed with intention and mindfulness. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook the simple treasures bestowed upon us by nature. The sacred elixir of tea, revered for centuries, possesses remarkable healing properties when approached with reverence and understanding. As the great Buddha once proclaimed, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Guided by the wisdom of Buddha and Zen philosophy, we're reminded of the profound connection between nature and well-being. A cup of tea nourishes both body and soul. We must gather the finest ingredients from the earth and embrace each element chosen for our brew, as each carries its own unique properties, contributing to a harmonious blend that promotes holistic well-being. Now let's embark on the sacred ritual of tea-making, guided by the principles of mindfulness and reverence. As we prepare our brew, let us infuse each ingredient with intention, allowing their healing energies to merge and harmonize. As we explore the 7 key ingredients selected for our tea, let's delve into their individual characteristics and how they contribute to our journey of health and vitality. Ginger root has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, deeply rooted in various cultural and traditional medicine practices. In the teachings of Buddha and Zen philosophy, balance and harmony are central tenets for well-being, and ginger, with its warming properties, is considered a key component in achieving internal equilibrium. Cinnamon bark, with its rich aroma and therapeutic properties, serves as an embodiment of these principles. When incorporated into our daily rituals, such as enjoying it in tea, cinnamon encourages us to practice moderation and mindfulness in our consumption choices. From a health perspective, cinnamon offers a range of benefits that align with the principles of balance and moderation. Cardamom pods, with their subtle yet complex flavor profile, perfectly embody the Zen principle of simplicity. Despite their small size, cardamom pods offer a wealth of aroma and taste that can be appreciated with mindful awareness. By incorporating cardamom into our tea, we embrace simplicity in our approach to health and wellness, finding contentment in the subtle pleasures of life. Cloves have a fascinating history dating back thousands of years, originating from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. Traded along ancient spice routes, cloves became prized commodities valued for their aromatic and medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, cloves offer potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, making them a popular remedy for various ailments. Turmeric powder, with its vibrant hue and profound healing properties, serves as a poignant symbol of the Zen concept of impermanence. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, turmeric offers a potent shield against chronic diseases such as cancer and arthritis. Holy basil leaves, also known as tulsi, hold a sacred place in various spiritual and cultural traditions, embodying principles of mindfulness and awareness. Incorporating holy basil into our daily rituals, such as infusing it into tea, allows us to tap into its adaptogenic qualities, which help the body adapt to stress and promote mental clarity and focus. Lemon peel, with its bright and invigorating flavor, serves as a beacon of simplicity and mindfulness. Rather than seeking extravagance and excess, Zen values the beauty found in simplicity. By incorporating lemon peel into our tea, we embrace a simple yet powerful approach to health and well-being. Arabica coffee beans, celebrated for their delicate flavors and nuanced aromas, embody a sense of purity and clarity that resonates deeply with Zen philosophy. In the Zen tradition, clarity of mind is revered as essential for attaining enlightenment, and Arabica beans serve as a gentle guide along this path. Robusta coffee beans, with their bold flavor and higher caffeine content compared to Arabica, serve as a tangible embodiment of the Zen principle of resilience. In the pursuit of enlightenment, Robusta coffee serves as a companion, reminding us to cultivate clarity and mindfulness in all aspects of life. Cacao nibs, hailed as a sacred gift from the earth, offer a unique opportunity to embrace indulgence with mindfulness and reverence. Derived from the cacao bean, cacao nibs are imbued with a divine essence that awakens the senses and ignites the spirit. Coconut milk, with its creamy richness and nurturing essence, embodies a harmonious balance, offering both comfort to the soul and nourishment to the body. By incorporating coconut milk into our daily rituals, we honor its nurturing essence and embrace the principles of Zen philosophy. Vanilla beans, with their delicate fragrance and soothing presence, offer a gateway to serenity. As we embrace the sweet embrace of vanilla, we are enveloped in a comforting aura reminiscent of a warm embrace. In conclusion, let us unite the wisdom of tea and coffee, blending their unique energies into a harmonious symphony of mindfulness and presence. In the stillness of this moment, let us reflect on the profound teachings of Buddha and Zen philosophy, which remind us of the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of cultivating awareness in our daily rituals. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.